In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HeyGen for translation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move through the Translate workspace, prepare your media, and generate a clean, natural-sounding dub in the language you choose. Start by opening the HeyGen app and heading to the home screen. On the left sidebar, find the Translate section. This is your hub for turning existing content into multilingual versions without re-recording. Click Translate to open the tools. First, select Video Dubbing to see the main dubbing workflow for full videos. Then switch to Audio Dubbing. This area is designed for audio-first projects and also gives quick access to pronunciation and translation preferences that influence your results. It's worth visiting these settings early so your translation stays consistent with brand names and specialized terms. Click into pronunciation to define how specific words, product names, or acronyms should be spoken. Adding clear guidance here helps the voices sound accurate and professional. Next, open rules. Use this to set translation preferences, such as formal or informal tone, preferred terminology, or phrases you want left untranslated. These rules guide the model and reduce manual fixes later. With preferences set, return to video dubbing to bring in your media. You can drag and drop a video directly into the upload area for the fastest start. If your file is on your computer, choose Browse Local Files and select it. Alternatively, if your video lives online, use a YouTube or Google Drive link. Copy the video URL from your browser, then paste it into the link field and press Enter or Submit to load it. Make sure the link is publicly accessible or properly shared so HeyGen can fetch the media. Once your video is detected, choose your target language. Take a moment to confirm it matches your audience's dialect or region if that matters for your content. When everything looks right, click Translate. HeyGen will automatically handle transcription, translation, voice matching, and lip syncing as applicable. Processing time varies based on video length and server load, so let it run until it's complete. A few quick tips while you wait. Clean source audio leads to better transcriptions and more accurate dubbing. Short test clips help you fine-tune pronunciation and rules before you process a long video. And if you're using links, double-check permissions to avoid fetch errors. That's it. You've used the Translate tools, reviewed pronunciation and rules, imported your media, selected a language, and started the translation. Follow these steps each time for consistent, high-quality multilingual videos.